gonna draw a koala.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. We're going to draw a mom and a baby koala. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You also need some
Paper and stone and color.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our baby koala down here in the bottom right. And we're going to draw an oval shape for the nose. Let's draw it about this big. And then let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw one eye right here and another eye over here, the same size. Then let's draw a smaller circle in each eye for the highlight to make the eyes look shiny. And we're going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. And anytime we go too fast, or if you need more time, you can always
pause the video.
Yeah. Then we can draw the little smile underneath the nose. And then let's draw the shape of our little baby's head. We're going to draw a U shape that comes underneath for the chin and up for the cheek on the other side. And then let's draw the top of the head. We're going to draw a bigger upside down U to connect on both sides. And then let's draw the ears. I'm going to draw one ear that comes out like this and another ear on the other side. Then we can draw a smaller C shape inside on both ears. And then let's draw the arm. We're going to draw a sideways U shape that comes out, around, and back in. Let's also draw the belly. We're going to draw a little line right here that connects the chin down to the arm. And then we're going to imagine that going behind the arm and then coming out further. Now let's draw the leg. We're going to draw a little curve that comes down like this. And then we can curve around for the rest of the leg. And we're going to keep coming all the way around for the back and then up to the neck and chin. It looks really cute. Okay, let's draw the belly. We're going to start here and we're going to draw a line that comes down and curves into the foot. Oh, that's a really, it's full.
Yes.
Then we're going to draw the other arm. We'll draw a little sideways U shape. And I love our little koala bellies. They're nice and full. They just finished eating. Okay, now we're going to draw the leg down here. We got 2 arms and 2 legs. Now we're ready to draw the mama koala, and we're going to draw up here. We're going to start by drawing the same steps. So let's start with the nose, and we're going to draw a little bit bigger. And we're going to draw it right above the ear. And then let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw one eye right here and another eye over here. So we got 2 circles. And let's draw that same little circle inside to make the eyes look shiny. And color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Then let's draw the smile underneath our little mama's nose. I'm going to imagine that going behind the ear, and maybe it comes out just a little bit behind the other side of the ear. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the shape of our mama's head. We're going to start here and draw that U shape. But watch this. We're going behind the baby koala, so we're going to stop right there on the ear. And then we can imagine that going behind the ear and also behind the head. And we're going to come out over here next to the other eye. Now let's draw the top of her head. We're going to draw a big upside down U to connect on both sides. Then let's draw the ears. We're going to start here and come out, around, and back down. It looks like a big C shape, and we'll do the same thing over here for the other ear. Yeah. Now let's draw the inside of the ear. We can draw that same shape, but smaller. There you go. Now we're ready to draw the body. Let's first draw her arm, and we're going to draw it coming in and touching our little baby's cheek. Then we can imagine it curving around or behind the cheek, and we're going to come back up for the rest of the arm. Then let's draw her little foot. We're going to start here. We're going to curve up, connect to her arm, and then we'll come back down and touch the little foot on the baby. Then let's curve around, and we'll stop right there. Then let's draw the rest of her body. We're going to start here, curve around like this, and then up and connect to her neck. Then we can also draw the little line that we did for our baby's belly. Let's connect her chin to her arm, and then we'll connect her arm to her leg. Oh, let's also add little eyelashes for the mom. And then we can also draw little eyebrows too on top of each eye. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our baby and mama koala, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yeah, they're gonna look so much better all colored in. This part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
We're using our Art for Kids Hub markers. If you have the same set, you could use the same colors that we're using. But also remember, you don't have to. You could use whatever you have, like crayons or colored pencils, or even a different brand of markers. We're using WG1 for the belly and also the little patch underneath the nose. And then we're using WG3 for the rest of the head and also the body. And we let it dry once, so this is the first layer. And you can add a second layer on top with the WG3 to make it darker like mine.
Yeah.
Then we also use CG7 for the nose and 17 pink for the inside of the ears. I'm also going to switch to my colored pencil, my white Prismacolor, to add a little highlight on top of each of the noses. So one here, and then another on top of this nose. We can also use this to make the highlight in the eyes a little bit bigger. And also, if you want to add a highlight on top of the head, even though koalas are furry, so they're not really shiny, but I think sometimes this makes them look cute with a little shine mark on the top of their head. Next, I'm going to use my black marker, the fine tip, to add a thicker line around the outside of the whole drawing. I also think I'm going to draw eucalyptus leaves behind them.
Okay.
Awesome, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our mom and baby koala, and I love your drawing so much.
Thank you.
You can pause the video right now to match your same coloring. You can also add extra things to the background. And the colors I used for the plants were 57 green and 103 brown. But you can also leave that off to keep the lesson a little easier.
You could also draw more koalas.
Oh yeah, you could draw a whole family of them. Maybe the dad koala is off in the background, jumping off of a tree.
Or eating those leaves.
Oh yeah.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing koalas with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.